Most homeopathic practitioners and students of homeopathy are struggling with taking acute cases. They usually get the impression that most people suffering from acute condition are not having any symptoms. The truth is that they have symptoms, but we are usually focusing on the main complaint only, without understanding the main structure of the acute case taking. That's why I decided to run 2-day seminar, which will be broadcasted live from Prague. And this 2-day event will be dedicated to acute prescribing and acute case taking. All participants will get lifetime access to complete video recording of the entire event, so you will not miss anything, even though you cannot join live. I will be more than happy to see you there.